Good camping gear means less time unpacking and more time relaxing. The Hitorhike 2-piece camping chair sets up in just minutes with a collapsible aluminum frame. The frame is similar to a lightweight pop-up tent and is incredibly stable. The chair is designed to keep you cool on those hot summer days out enjoying the wild. Rip-stop nylon will keep you cool and comfortable, and the cooling mesh seat panel ventilates your back and backside. Plus, the fabric drains and dries fast, so you'll be up for any weather or adventure. There are 2 useful side pockets for your phone, water bottles, and other gear. Enjoy this comfortable chair that you can take on the go.